Oh, hi guys. We're talking about animals. The other weeks were like space. Today, we're going to talk about animals. And we're going to talk about food chains right now. What the producer converts sunlight into energy. And let's say there's grass. From the sun, it gets this energy. Herbivore. It consumes plants for its food. Let's say there's example for a deer. They ate grass. What's a carnivore? It consumes other animals for its food. Let's say here's an example for a lion. They ate a zebra. A parasite sucks energy from its host. It's like me, but it's not like really, it just uses it. What's a decomposer? It eats like parts of dead animals. What's it? It's an example for a vulture. And there's a little bit skin, not that much. It eats the dead skin. That's disgusting, right? What's a food chain? A food chain is like, let's say there's a graph, like the sun gave like flour and another animal ate that flour, then another animal ate that, and then a cuter animal ate that. The chain is linear, or you can say straight, and it's a straight line of food. Let's say like a crab, and then another animal ate that crab, and then another animal ate that one who ate the crab. You know what I mean. Web has like whole bunch of food chains together at one piece. So the top of the food chain is mostly predators. Most animals don't eat them. Like creatures in the ecosystem connected by what they eat. What happens if a food source goes away? That means it'll be bad for the food chain. What's an example for like a bear? It's like the fish were all gone. It'll be really hard to find them, so they have to go to another place. They might die, and that'll be bad for other ecosystems. Nature is very important. The other producer makes its food. Let's say example like there's grass, and from the sun it's called photosynthesis. That's how it gets its energy to make it strong and grow. We're going to talk about classification. Two groups of vertebrate and invertebrate. The vertebrate had the backbone, the invertebrate does not have a backbone. Most animals are vertebrates. Like scientists classifying like animals, they classify them way further. Mammals are vertebrates and they get milk from their mom. Birds are vertebrates and they lay eggs and they have feathers on them. Most fish are vertebrates. They have gills to breathe. Amphibians live on water and land. Are cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals use their environment to control their temperature, like hot or cold. Let's say example of a snake. Around it can control hot or cold. The reptiles, they breathe in and out with their mouth like us, and they have scales. We don't have scales. Let's say like a lizard. They're a reptile, right? There's other types of reptiles. Thanks for learning with me today. Bye, guys. Thanks for learning with me today about pets. See you in the next episode. Subscribe to my channel, Landon.